friends! Today I'm going to show you 4 sentimental and meaningful gift ideas that will help the receiver feel valued and loved and know that you care about them.
Valentine's Day. To me, it seems like an over-commercialized, non-optional social convention of gift giving. And I hate the idea of exploiting something so pure as letting someone you care about know that you care about them for the benefit of giving profit to already inflated big box stores. So, today I have 4 sentimental, romantic, or non-romantic gift ideas that represent a lot more than the mindless, obligatory Valentine's Day gift. Number 1, jewelry/a keepsakes box. If your special someone wears a lot of jewelry, turn this into a jewelry box. If jewelry really isn't a part of their life, turn it into a keepsake/special thanks box. You can get these things inexpensively from any craft store. They're natural wood, it makes them easy to paint, and the amazing thing is you can customize it to whatever you want. When Clint and I were dating, we wrote each other a lot of notes, letters, and poems. We collected heart rocks on hikes and different adventures, and we had a few sentimental items that we wanted to keep. How sweet would it be to customize a special place to put all of these keepsakes? Paint it with their favorite colors. Paint their favorite flower or mountain or place you visited together. Be sure to seal with a clear top coat so that your creation doesn't chip off. You get to make this yours. You get to make it just as unique and special as your special someone. Number 2, peg dolls. Are you telling me that your special someone is too old, too masculine, and too classy to play with dolls? Think again. Like our box, these peg dolls are natural wood and extremely customizable. Remember when we all tried to watercolor our family portrait or commission someone else to do it for us? I think these peg dolls are the next big thing. Find your favorite picture of you and your someone and paint the peg dolls to match. Or paint the peg dolls to match the clothes you were wearing on your first date or favorite date or memory. Like before, be sure to seal with a clear top coat so these peg dolls last. Peg dolls are small and can easily sit on a shelf or desk as a cute reminder of your developing and growing relationship. Number 3, special clay project. Clay, it's magic! Sculpt it into whatever shape or size you want, cook it for 15 minutes, and you've made yourself the most customized gift yet. You can see here that I made some earrings, which were super easy as you just glue on the earring back after it's baked and painted. But if earrings aren't really your theme, make a keychain, attach a ribbon and turn it into a bookmark, make it pocket size and turn it into a lucky charm, or a shelf/desk decoration. Or you can make a dish for keys, trinkets, or a placeholder for their favorite rings and bracelets. I painted my clay with acrylic, and I also dyed it with acrylic, which is a fun project, and then I sealed it with a top coat. I love that this is so customizable. You get to really let the person know that you know them, you listen to them, and you remember their favorite things. After all, the purpose of gift giving is to let that person know you were thinking of them. You took time out of your day to do something kind just because you wanted them to know. And what says that more than a heartfelt, handwritten card? Which brings us to number 4. Never underestimate the power behind something so simple as a handwritten letter. This is probably the best gift of all. No, it didn't cost money, it didn't take that much time, but you got to tell someone just how special they are. Make it permanent and write it in ink. Think about what you want to say before you say it, and let your heart do all the talking. These gifts do more than tell someone that we mindlessly walked into the closest store, grabbed the first pink and red thing we saw, and hoped they liked it more than the thousands of other people who would be getting the exact same thing. But we took time. We thought about them, recalled their favorite colors and places and memories, let them know just how memorable and special they are. I hope you liked today's video. If you try any of these things, let me know. I would love to see what you come up with. And if you have more sentimental gift ideas, please share them with our amazing community in the comments below. I hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!